very pleasant morning to all my dear students. Myself Arshita Tripathi, and now we are going to study the third part of your third chapter, change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. So in the last chapter we have studied what is goodwill. Now in this session we are going to study the valuation of goodwill. So there are three methods to evaluate the goodwill. First is average profit method, second is super profit method, and the third is capitalization method. We are going to learn it one by one. So the first method is average profit method. This is the very simple method and this method is widely used. In this method, goodwill is calculated on the basis of the average profit of the last few years, and with such profit we calculate the average profit and multiplied it with the number of years of purchase such as 2 or 3. So इस average profit method से goodwill हम कैसे calculate करते हैं? हम last कुछ years का profit लेते हैं और उससे हम average profit निकालते हैं and then we will multiply it with the number of years of purchase. So now the question arises कि हम average profit ही क्यों लेते हैं? क्यों हम average profit से ही calculate करते हैं goodwill? So average profit इसलिए हम लेते हैं because a buyer always want to estimate the future profit, and the future profit can be estimated on the basis of the performance from the past years. So future profit हम कैसे estimate कर सकते हैं? अपने past performance के basis पे. But before calculating the average profit, we have to keep in mind few points that to calculate the average profit, we have to deduct the abnormal income of the year from the net profit, and we also have to deduct the abnormal loss of the we have to add the abnormal loss because the abnormal loss is not fixed. वो fix नहीं होता है कि हर साल आपको abnormal loss होगा ही होगा, वो कभी by chance अगर हो गया. So to estimate the future performance, abnormal loss को हम add करेंगे and we will deduct the abnormal income. And the third point says that income from investment should be deducted out of the net profit of that year because this income is received from outside the business. Clear? So, क्या करना है हमें? Firstly, we have to deduct the abnormal income out of the net profit. We have to add the abnormal loss, and we have to deduct the income from investment. Clear? Now let's see the practical question. So the first question to calculate to see the calculation of valuation of goodwill by the average profit method. So here we have the question, and the question says we have to value the goodwill by 3-year purchase of the average profit of the last 5 years. So we have in 1997 we have 50,000 profit, in 1998 we have 20,000 loss, and in 1999 we have 10,000 profit. In 2000 we have 60,000 profit, and in 2001 we have 80,000 profit. Now on the basis of these 5-year profit, firstly we will calculate the average profit and then we will calculate the value the goodwill. So to calculate the average profit from these, what we'll have to do is we will add upon all these. So 50,000, here we have the loss. So if we have the loss, we will deduct it. Then we have 10,000 profit plus 60,000 plus 80,000, and how many years we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will divide it by 5 and we will get it as 1,80,000 divided by 5, and it will come to 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30, that is 36,000. So now we have 36,000 as our average profit. Then to calculate the goodwill, we have the formula. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. So we have calculated the average profit as 36,000. And we have the 3 years purchase, means we have to multiply it with 3 and we will get 1,08,000 as our goodwill amount. So see how is it easy to calculate. Firstly, we will have to take the average profit by adding all the profit, and if we have loss in any year, we will deduct it. Then we will divide it by the number of years. That is, we have 5 years profit, so we will divide it by 5 and we will get the average profit. And to calculate the goodwill, we have the formula average profit into number of years of purchase. So we will multiply this average profit with number of year of purchase that is given in the question, that is 3 years. So we will get 1,08,000. Yes, so here we have the another question. In this question, we have in 1995, we have the profit of 40,000. But the different thing in this question is, in 40,000, we include the abnormal gain of 5,000. And in 1986, we have the profit of 50,000 and the abnormal loss here is, that is 50,000 is after charging abnormal loss. Clear? Then in 1987, we have 45,000, excluding 5,000 as insurance premium. This question I will share with you all in PDF. You can go and check there also. So now let's solve. So we have to value the goodwill with 2-year purchase of average profit. So what I have told you, that to calculate the average profit, we have to deduct the abnormal income, and we have to add the abnormal loss, and we have to deduct the income from investment. So we have in 1985, we have 40,000 as profit. Clear? And it include abnormal gain 5,000. It means we have to deduct 5,000 and this will come to 35,000. Clear? Now we have 1986, we have 50,000. Clear? Now we have 50,000 after charging abnormal loss. So we have to add the abnormal loss, because abnormal loss हर साल होगा ये जरूरी नहीं होता है. This is just by chance. So we are calculating the future performance. तो हर साल तो होता नहीं है, तो हम 10,000 का loss क्यों दिखाएंगे? So we have to add this 10,000 and this will come to 60,000. And we have in 1987 we have 45,000. So here we will write 45,000 and we will add these all. Clear? So you must be thinking why we haven't deducted this 5,000 as insurance premium, because this insurance premium we will pay it annually. हम हर साल insurance premium pay करेंगे और यहाँ पे केवल 1987 का दे रखा है. So we will deduct this 5,000 from the average profit, because this insurance premium we have to pay it annually. So now this all total will come to 1,40,000. And to calculate the average profit, we will divide it by 3 and we will get the round off figure as 46,667. Clear? Then now, as the formula says, we will have to multiply it with the number of years of purchase, because to calculate the goodwill, we will multiply the average profit with the number of years of purchase. So we will multiply this average profit with 2. This is given in the question. So we will get the round off figure as something like this. So this is the goodwill. Hope you all have understood. Practice this at your home, and I will share this question in your in the PDF form. Go and check there. Hope you all have understood. Stay home, be safe. Thank you. And we will study the next method, that is super profit method, in the next video. Before that, we will have one weighted average profit method. That will also we will study. Thank you.